Hey everyone, this is a quick demo video of my countdown template. It's basically a simple system where you can add any event, task, or deadline, set a date, and the database will tell you how many days you have left until that thing happens. I've organized it by different views. So we have future calendar, the future appointments, uh, we've got future, which is just a simple list, the past, and so on and so forth. But the best part is that you can apply any context to whatever you want to create. Um, so in this case, vehicle registration, go under vehicle, and it could be an appointment, a subscription, travel date, something related to banking, whatever you want it to be. That way you can keep it organized. On top of that, if you wanted to, you can duplicate the view and then filter it by that specific context if that's something that you go to quite often. As you can see here, you can also put a note. What else? This is the formula that calculates the countdown, if you're curious, and the filters associated to the views. So if you think this could be useful, go ahead and click on the link and let me know if you like it or not.